Thank you very much, Sherman. ICANN has been supportive of the CTU and has supported CTU in an effort to get the IPv6 message out, and we thank you for ICANN's support. We're going to reserve the questions, as I said, for after all three presentations have been made, and hopefully we can have some interesting debate discussion after that. But we'll move right into the next speaker, who is Mr. Gregory Richardson of SecureTech International, who will be speaking about protection of digital assets. Mr. Richardson has had a deep interest in technology from a very young age. His first part-time business, that started in 1987, was designing and building his own computers and selling them to classmates in college. So he had a very early business acumen. Being a lover of all things technological, he quickly diversified into areas of high technology, including digital video production. He now owns and operates SecureTech International, a network security consulting firm with clients throughout the northeastern Caribbean. SecureTech started in his spare bedroom and has grown since then to its current state with a staff of qualified technicians and network security engineers, as well as administrative support staff. SecureTech is the Northeastern Caribbean's first company to specialize in network security. SecureTech does network design and creation, management of large corporate networks, as well as provides a full slate of white hat hacking services, including penetration testing. So therefore, Mr. Richardson is well placed to speak to us about protection of digital assets, and I now invite him to do so.
Thank you. Good. Let me wait till this slideshow is set up. Thank you. Thank you for the rousing introduction. It's a pleasure to be here today making this presentation. Let's jump straight into it. You would think after you do these things once or twice, you don't get nervous anymore. That's a lie. Let's jump straight into it. Importance of network security and/or securing your digital assets. The talk is going to really focus on the securing part of it. I'm assuming everybody understands the concept of digital assets. If you don't, let me just summarize it by saying we believe in the security industry, and when I say security, I'm talking about computer network security. We believe the important asset, or I should say the more important asset, is the digital asset. In other words, the data that is stored on these computers and stuff. Computers and the hardware has value, but over time, the intrinsic value of the data that you've been typing and putting there vastly outvalues the value of the computer, especially with the fact that computers devalue quickly over time. We're really talking about protecting your data. If you want to protect your computer, get a good lock on the door, get maybe an alarm system. That's not what we're talking about here. Anyway, you've heard already my background. The only thing I want to draw attention to is the line that says I'm a serial entrepreneur. Everything else, in my opinion, is relatively insignificant. All of the MCSE, blah, 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 blah. It's valuable stuff when you are trying to lay a foundation of, hey, I really do know what I'm saying, and these companies say so. In day-to-day running of businesses, and to be honest with you, even in doing the actual work we do with securing networks, that stuff is largely, totally irrelevant. What I thought interesting is that I'm a serial entrepreneur. That's something I believe in very passionately. For Caribbean people, for St. Martin people, I think more of us need to wrap our minds around the fact that we should be thinking about owning and operating our own businesses. But that's another talk for another session. Where do you want me to point this? There?
Anywhere. It should work.
There you go. Very important. This